Scenes are essentially the canvases that you use to build up your productions. They can be as simple or as complicated as you wish. You could have one input or source in one of your scenes, or you could have many sources in your scenes, depending on what suits your particular workflow. You'll find all your scenes along the center of the main interface here. The top line is program, and these are highlighted in red, and they relate to whatever is being shown in your program monitor here. And underneath that, you have the preview line here. So whatever is highlighted in green will be in your preview monitor here. So if I were to go through these scenes, they will all pop into the preview monitor there. And if I wish to transition between them, I could select any of my transitions here, and that will transition between those two scenes like so. So now my website is in preview, highlighted in green, and Caller 4 has gone into the program, highlighted in red. Now I can rename my scenes also if I wish. All you need to do is come down to the scene in question, just right click on it when it's in the preview line and then click rename. Just type that in and then press enter. I've just renamed that. I can also rearrange my scenes if I want to move them around. Perhaps I've just put them in the wrong order and then I want to move them about. I can do that just by clicking and dropping them, just like so. As standard, you can see that I have 24 scenes along the middle here currently. I can access another 24 by clicking on the pages here. I've got a second page, and that will take me up to 48 scenes. That is the default. This can be increased if you wish by coming to the advanced settings. I'm just going to click on the cog icon there. Click on advanced, scroll down a little bit. You see I have scene configuration here. I already have ticked enable program scene change on a double click, which means that I don't have to initiate a transition in order to swap between my scenes. All I need to do is double click on the program line. I'll demonstrate that again in a minute in case I haven't done it so far. I can also combine the preview and the program, which is actually really handy if you increase the amount of scenes that you have. So what I'm going to do here in the scenes bit is I'm going to increase this to 120. I don't know why you would need that many scenes, but you can have that many if you want. I'm just going to click apply there, click OK to come out of that. And you see that I now have 5 pages of scenes, taking me all the way up to 120. If I go back into the advanced settings, come back down to the scene configuration. If I now combine them and click apply, you see that I now have 3 pages of scenes, and I now have 1 to 48 on my first page here. So if you've got lots and lots of scenes on the go, this can be really handy. And as I said before, I've got the double click to change scene activated. So if I wanted to come to my website again, I can just double click on that, and there you go, it's gone red. So that means that it's in the program. I've also got the ability to preview all of my scenes again. If I were to have the preview and the program both on the same one, you'll just see that it's split in half like that with a green and a red. But this enables me to just switch between all of my scenes really quickly and easily. So as you see, that's how you can get very quickly and easily started with using scenes in QuickLink Create. Thank you for watching. You can access other instruction videos on our YouTube channel or by navigating to support.quicklink.tv.